Guys, good morning.
Good morning, good morning.
Guys,
Thank
yeah,
you.
for birthday girl, ayan. Right?
Again and again, everyday
Okay.
birthday.
Yeah, everyday birthday. Yeah. Habang magaga pa konti ay nagtsatsaan muna kami at nagkakape, mga kadungas.
Gago!
Parang kanina yung birthday.
Yes, birthday ni Ate Lorna.
Sarap naman yun.
Hindi ako marunong.
Kanina, galing-galing mo mag eh.
Ops. Tapos binibidyo, nagdugo yung kamay.
Gago!
Whoops!
Oops!
Modulas! Modulas!
Iwain mo muna kasi dyan.
Hindi, maganda yung ganyan. Ops! This is how you cut watermelon. This is a melon. What? See? With the balat.
Dessert na mga kadungas kasi tapos nang kumain.
Yes.
Yan.
Then you will be on the other side.
Sabay-sabay kasi kami ngayon eh. Friday. Sabay-sabay yung
Other
break
side, and
time.
then put it on the plate.
Tapos may birthday pa.
Then you will do like this. Do like this.
Yan. Tapos,
Oops. Tapos ikakat mo yan hang. Yan.
oh, ang galing. Up.
Oh.
Up. Minikos-mikos mo na yan. Up.
Okay.
Tapos, pwede na tikman to.
Yes.
Yan.
Ready to serve.
Kanta. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Sabay-sabay ang kainan kasi Friday. Magulat ka kung maalat to kasi milon to eh. Maubos na. Nakain mo, Kim.
Naman tayo ng balita.
Maubos na yun.
Palabok. Palabok na may kasamang grated coconut. You can English, dude, English.
English ah.
Ba't nila? May ganyan ba harap to?
Chichirya na no.
Picture yan ng Mark Spencer.
Okay. Muna. This.
Ayan, Jean.
Cheese.
Chichirya na naman. Dahil yung mga Pilipino talaga, hindi nawawala ang chichirya after meal.
Cheat it.
Sa konti na lang natira po Jinta, tsaka itong palabik. Buhos mo na dyan.
Kakain kasi.
As they were a year ago. But all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays. Way back a year ago.